Welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the causes of insomnia and provide you with a detailed plan to help you conquer it. Whether you're someone who has been struggling with insomnia for years, or if you've recently developed sleep problems, this guide is for you. So, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding insomnia. To fix insomnia, it's essential to first understand it. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. It can be caused by various factors, including stress, poor sleep habits, medical conditions, or medications. Number 2. Identifying the causes. One of the most crucial steps to overcoming insomnia is identifying its causes. We'll dive into the most common factors, such as stress, anxiety, and depression. Stress. Stress triggers the body's fight or flight response, which leads to increased alertness, heart rate, and blood pressure. This heightened state of arousal is not conducive to falling asleep, as it makes it difficult to relax and unwind. When you're stressed, your mind may be filled with racing thoughts, worries, and anxieties. This mental activity can make it challenging to quiet the mind and transition into a relaxed state that's necessary for sleep. Anxiety. Anxiety often leads to excessive worrying and rumination, causing your mind to race, especially when you're trying to sleep. These intrusive thoughts can make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Depression. Depressed individuals often experience persistent, negative, and ruminative thoughts, which can keep them awake at night. Their mind may be preoccupied with worries, guilt, or self-criticism, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Number 3. Sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene is the foundation for overcoming insomnia. We'll discuss tips for creating a sleep-conducive environment, including the ideal sleep duration and bedtime routine. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Remove electronic devices like smartphones and computers from your bedroom, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep. Limit exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Relaxation techniques. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises like deep breathing or meditation. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. However, try to finish intense workouts at least a few hours before bedtime, as exercising right before bed may be stimulating. Number 4. Managing stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are major contributors to insomnia. We'll explore relaxation techniques, mindfulness, and ways to manage stress and anxiety effectively. Here are some popular relaxation techniques. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, allowing your diaphragm to expand. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension as you breathe out. Repeat this for a few minutes. Progressive muscle relaxation. Start at your toes and work your way up through your body. Tense each muscle group for a few seconds, then release, paying attention to the sensation of relaxation. This helps you become more aware of physical tension and how to release it. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. It can improve flexibility, reduce tension, and promote relaxation. Number 5. Lifestyle changes. Avoid high sugar and high fat foods. These can lead to blood sugar spikes and digestive issues, both of which can disrupt sleep. Steer clear of sugary snacks, fried foods, and heavy desserts. Limit large meals before bedtime. Eating a heavy or spicy meal close to bedtime can lead to discomfort and indigestion, making it difficult to sleep. It's best to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Limit caffeine. Avoid or reduce your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea, soft drinks, and chocolate. Some people are more sensitive to caffeine than others, so pay attention to your body's response. Avoid alcohol. While alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy, it can disrupt your sleep patterns and lead to restless sleep. Try to limit alcohol consumption, particularly in the evening. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and tricks. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember that overcoming insomnia is a journey, but with the right knowledge and determination, you can regain your sleep and your life.